Basketball, you betcha, we're back once again. It's the Daily Trainer here each and every day to give you what you need. Basketball, you, what can we do to get better? Work hard, that's it. So let's get started. Right away, I need you to get those ball circles going. Oh yeah, that's what we're doing. We're circling around those legs. We're going in between our legs. We're going around our right leg. We're going around our left leg. We're going reverse. We're doing it all today for our warm-up. Okay? We're going figure eight. All of those good things. And we're only going to do 2 sets of each for 30 seconds. And then we're going to go from there. Okay, what going from there is going to look like? It's going to be 2-ball dribbling. So we're going to get right into 2-ball dribbling right away. Quick, fast, and in a hurry. Remember, we want to use our pound dribble as effectively as we can when doing these different drills. Okay, so we're going to work our low pounds, our mid pounds, our high pounds with 2 basketballs. Then we are going to work our, I like to call it shotgun dribble, where it's just boom, 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 boom. Okay, this version of it is pretty loud. It's also offsetting because you're going 1 ball at a time. When you are dribbling the ball as hard as you can, I want you to go low with those alternating dribbles. Then I want you to go mid. Then I want you to go high again. Okay, and then after we do that, I want you to go 1 ball low, 1 ball high. Now this one is more just the eye and hand coordination situation where you are working on the awkwardness of your brain working on something that's just not used to. So it's more of a challenge for your brain to exercise it a little bit more, but definitely effective when it comes to hand and eye coordination type drills. Remember, we want to do all of these dribbling drills for 30 seconds. All right, we're going to do them 2 times each a day, so you'll get double the work on both hands. All right, then we will lastly do our V dribbles with the basketballs, and then we will shoot 10 free throws. So you'll get up to that line, you'll get your routine going. And remember, you want a routine just because it's going to relax you more in game while everything is going on. You're going to be locked into your routine. So don't forget to start working on that. Try to make 80% of your free throws if you can. Looking to attack off the dribble? Yeah, I am too. I want to go get a bucket. So today, that's what we're going to do. We're going to work that attack dribble from the top of the key. Okay. Remember, we're working our in and outs. We're working our stop and go. And then we're working our finish. We're also working our crossovers into an in and out finish. Then we're going to work our through the legs cross into a in and out situation and finish. And then don't forget to turn your body on a secondary defender and initiating an explosion move. Very similar to how Isaiah Thomas did it before he received his injury. But definitely a very effective move, and it's going to keep your defender guessing. That is for sure. So make sure we're attacking right, make sure we're attacking left. After we get done attacking, let's go ahead and shoot 10 more free throws. And then after we shoot those free throws, before you try to go and jump and grab that water, let's go ahead and jump on that baseline. Oh yeah, the baseline where liners happen. I want you to do 2 full liners with a 30-second break in between. Okay. Then after that, we are going to do a hot 17 real quick, no countdown, just a 17 sideline. Then you can go ahead and grab that water and then go ahead and go back to that free throw line after you grab that water and make 10 free throws. Okay, it is key that we are in shape and we are making free throws while being tired. All right, and then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go back to finishing again. We're going to go 5-spot layups, going from the baseline to the wing, from the top to the wing, from the baseline, and then all the way back around. Then after we do that, we are going to come from the baseline, work some moves there, and finish at the rim again. Okay, so we're working our finish series through being a little tired after running and doing some things before we really get started into the shooting aspect. So I really want you to make those shots. When finishing, remember to use your legs to get some power, and then also be balanced. I think the balance aspect is so overlooked when going for a layup, especially because we like to jump off one and try to do athletic things when we need to just keep it simple. Playing off two doesn't look as great until you start dunking on somebody, but you have to remember it is about balance and control, along with maintaining the strength you have and trying to compete with someone stronger than you. And being more skilled is important than being so athletic. Okay, athleticism helps, but skill is a key component to longevity in this game of basketball. You agree that we have to be in shape, be in the best shape, and work the hardest. Now, the third question I would like to ask, instead of working the hardest or are you working the hardest, is why not? So think about those questions again. Are you in shape? Are you in the best shape? Why not? What's stopping you from being in the best shape on the floor? Think about that question, and let's get back to this workout. Taking you on a little mental journey. Now we're going to go into this mental battle of shooting. Okay. So real quick, just under the rim, we're going to get form shots up, just 3 on each side. And remember to get the 3 in the middle. Then we're going to use that glass just a little bit when we shoot on this form shooting. So 3 again, using it off the glass, 3 in the middle, and then 3 on the left side. Okay. Now after we do that, we're going to warm up with footwork shooting. Okay. So we're going to roll that ball out. We're going to step into our shot. We're going to be straight away on that. Then we're also going to roll the ball out. Step right foot inside and then shoot from the right side of the floor, and then from the left side of the floor we're using that left foot to step inside, and we're stepping in and shooting. Remember, if you do step and hop, that's fine, but just be aware of your balance, your timing, and being able to get that shot up quick. Okay, we are going to make 5 in our form shooting. Sorry, not our form shooting, but our footwork shooting. We are going to make 5 from each spot. And then once we're ready to do that, we are going to hit you with the star drill. Of course, we're going to go mid-range on the star drill first, just to work that footwork and the familiarity of what we're doing there. And then we're also going to hit you with the star drill from the 3-point line. Okay, we got 3 sets of that. Make sure you make a free throw at the end of each one. Okay, so important, man. Don't forget those free throws. We got to do it. You got to do it. Okay. And then lastly, let's get some 3s up today. You're going to just work off the dribble, pull it up from 3 on the wing at the top, and then on the wing. Remember, you're going to go right hand first. Then you're going to go left hand on the right side, shoot. Then we're going to go middle, right hand, left hand. Same concept. Then we're also going to go on the left wing. Same concept with you dribbling up with your left, then with your right. Okay. Let's try to make 3 each. Okay, let's try to make 3 each. Then we're going to go around the world on the 3-point line. And that is going to be it for shooting. Okay, we're going to step to that free throw line. We're going to make 10 free throws. And then we're going to end with conditioning. Okay, conditioning is, again, not a fan favorite, but we got to get it done. Today's conditioning is basically consisting of defense. Okay, so we're going to work acceleration, deceleration first. So you're going to run up, you're going to plant, you're going to backpedal, run up, plant, backpedal. Okay, we're going to go 2 sets of that. Then right after that, we're going to go right into our defensive slide, hash mark back to the baseline, hash mark back to the baseline, hash mark back to the baseline, turn and go. Okay, we got 2 of those. You're going to flip it, look the other way, boom, same thing, slide. Then after we get to a certain point, you're going to turn and go. Then we got our key slides back to back to back. Okay, I want you to go 20 on those. We got 3 sets of those. And then to finish it off, we are going to go with zigzags and full sprint down the floor once we get done with our 4th zigzag and we touch that out of bounds line. We're just going to sprint right back to the baseline to get restarted on our drill. No breaks in between. Let's keep it green. Hey, hope you were able to make all those things happen during conditioning, and hope you didn't pass out on me, basketball you, because I know it's so hard to do all of these things I'm asking you to do. But guess what? You're here every day, and so am I. I'm here for you. And I want you to remember this. Someone's always working. Are you?